Today we're going to restore our headlights using this nice kit. It's called Headlight Restore Kit by Sylvania. The kit I thought I was buying was used by a drill, but this kit we do not use a drill. So we'll go step by step and show you how it's done. This is before. You can tell. Pretty cloudy, pretty nasty. Then, what size sandpaper do we use?
1,000.
1,000?
Somewhere on there.
1,000, making sure that it's still wet. Make sure you cover it, go in circular motions. All you're doing is fine, scratching it to a little bit finer. Okay, let me show you. Hold on, Ron. This is what it looks after 2 sandings with the 400 grit and the 1,000 grit.
This is 2,000 right now.
Now we're going to go on to 2,000 grit. Again, 5 minutes per application is said. This is going to take all the fine marks all the way around. Again, don't spray it. The next step, after you sand it, you take the clarifying gel or clarifying spray, spray it on there, and wipe it off. All right, the next step, after you sanded it 3 times, you got it dry. You can go ahead and take your clarifying compound, number step 2, put about a quarter-size dollop on your white cloth. You're just going to set it all the way around until it gets on there.
You get on that side. I get on this side.
And you're just going to sand using that until you're polished. All right, turn it off.
This is the end result.
You know what step we didn't do to that one? Go ahead. UV block clear and coat step 3. Put a little on your blue application and just go in small circles. Don't hit that, please.
Clean, right? Ow. What is that thing you use it with, Daddy?
Okay, that's good.
This is the end result.